Hi beautiful people, welcome back to today's video. Welcome back to the channel. And in today's video we'll be talking about the Nivea Even and Radiant body lotion. Yes, and if this is your first time stopping by my channel, please do also hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I appreciate you. Please help us grow this channel by subscribing to this YouTube channel. At least help us reach the 1,000 threshold. So I know that that's something we can achieve. With your help, we can do it. So please smash the subscribe button and turn on post notification so that once I post a new video, you would know. Yes, and in this channel we do reviews, skincare, beauty, DIYs, lifestyle, just everything beauty. And if that seems like what you're interested in, then you are in the right place. So without wasting much of our time, let's get right into the video. In today's video, we'll be reviewing the Nivea Even and Radiant body lotion. Yes, and see, guys, I'm not even capping right now. Everything I'm going to be telling you guys is a honest review because I've used the product and I can tell you guys 100% how this product worked on me. And here I have my Nivea. Yes, so you can see it. This is the Even and Radiant moisturizer body lotion by Nivea. So I've used this product, I've tried it, and I can tell you at least 95%, if not 100% of what I experienced using this product. Now, trust me, Nivea has produced, or rather they've been producing a lot of, I don't know what they did to their product, their brand, but they've taken it to the next level. Well, when it comes to lotion, I've tried their lotion only once, and that was in 2019. It was the natural fairness I got. Guys, trust me, the experience I had with that cream made me to run, so. But when I tried this one, I see that they have really worked on their brand. They have taken it to the next level. Imagine that time I was using the natural fairness, I wasn't even going out, but I kept getting dark. And the whole idea was, okay, let me just use something that is not too, brightening, that's going to just maintain my color. But guys, I was just getting dark. And please, this is a disclaimer. The fact that it didn't work well for me does not mean that it might not work for you. Our skin differs. So if you're using the Nivea Natural Fairness and it's working for you, sis, please continue using it. Don't get discouraged because Hope said it didn't work for her at a particular time. So when I began to see videos of almost every YouTuber talking about the Nivea Even and Radiant, I said, let me even go and give this cream a try. I saw a lot of nice reviews. I said, let me just go and give this cream a trial. Maybe there's something different about their new brands. They are newly I know at that time they had newly launched some product and some ranges of product, and I know the Even and Radiant was part of it. I hear a lot of people saying it's like an upgraded version of the natural fairness. The natural fairness actually did not work for me, but it worked very well on my brother. In fact, it was glowing him. He brought out his skin tone, and it doesn't even rub cream all the time. Do you understand? So imagine me that was rubbing cream morning and night. It didn't do anything. But he will rub sometimes like twice a week that I even creamed his body, but it was glowing. And because of it, he just stuck to the cream for a very long time. Now, that brings me back to the Even and Radiant. I don't know what they did to this lotion. I'm going to be pointing out the things that attracted me to this product. The first thing that attracted me is the fact that it had SPF 15. Now, I needed a lotion that has at least a little bit of SPF, because the one I was using, before I switched to this one, almost damaged my skin because it just gave me different patches. Like I don't know if you're a Nigerian, you know what Kampala is. It gave me Kampala color, which is also known as hyperpigmentation. Well, Kampala is a fabric that has different stamps of colors. So in case you don't know what Kampala is, so that was what the cream I was using before gave me. And I needed you know, something to even out my skin tone, and then not that it will just even out my skin tone and give me the natural radiance. So I've been going on YouTube, on the internet, and I'm seeing this Nivea all over my face, and I'm like, come, this Nivea, did they send you guys to me? So I said, let me give it a trial, and then I decided to go for the even and radiant. And then why I got this, the first thing that attracted me was I saw with deep radiance serum and vitamin C. The deep radiance serum and vitamin C. This was the first thing that attracted me, because one, vitamin C is it has lightening properties, and you know, it fights free radicals. So I was like, okay, the fact that it has vitamin C would not make it darken me like my previous experience from the other Nivea product that I've tried. So I said, okay, let me give this a trial. If it doesn't work, we drop it along the line and jump on to the next thing. Guys, I know, right? I'm a skincare junkie, but then I try as much as possible to look for good product that is not going to damage my skin. And guys, this product changed my skincare game. It was just like this was the holy grail I needed at that time. I wish I could find pictures of my knuckles and everything to show you guys, but I don't have, because I didn't even intend making this video. I was just using it for the sake of restoring my skin back to default settings with a little bit of radiance, and I got exactly that, because I'd used a lot of products in the past that I'm going to be reviewing to you guys one after the other that did some American wonder to my skin, and that American wonder is not in a good way, in a bad way. So the first thing I'm going to be telling you about this is Nivea's effective SPF 15 helps protect your skin from harmful UVA/UVB rays that cause skin darkening and damage over time. Now this is what the product says, and yes, it kept to his word in that part, because guys, look at my skin. Look at my skin. You can see I'm enjoying an even skin tone. This is something I've not enjoyed in a long time. And then yes, it kept to his word about this. Try Nivea Even and Radiant Body Lotion. With regular use, Nivea Even and Body Lotion, specially formulated with a combination of Nivea's Deep Radiance Serum and skin's own coenzyme Q10, helps to repair dark and uneven skin patches for visibly radiant, smooth and even skin tone that you can feel. You see, that is also correct. I saw that it's repaired my uneven skin tone, the dark patches I was telling you guys about. This actually worked for it. So it says combination of vitamin C and UVA/UVB filters that protect deeper skin layers. I felt some sort of beautiful texture while I was using this cream. You know, my skin was very dry. It was suffering from dryness. Most of the product that I've used in the past, especially the last one I used before this, I already messed up with my skin moisture, my skin balance, my skin layers. So I knew something was wrong, and I needed to restore it ASAP before it gets past that. You know, that the thing is, I was so busy that I didn't even realize it quick enough. But thank God Nivea came to save the day. This is just me being very honest with you guys. So skin compatibility, dermatologically proven, ingredients carefully selected according to strict quality standards. Now, what I'm going to say about this is, if you're looking for a moisturizing lotion, Nivea's got you. Nivea Even and Radiant has got you in that aspect. Trust me, this cream is what you want to get. And then look at it. You would even know I finished it. Oh, before I came to do this, I didn't even, like I said, I didn't plan on doing this review. So you can see I've used it, and it's lightweight. Can you see it? It's lightweight. It's not heavy on the skin at all. And look at it, it just glides on the skin. See, if you guys know me very well before now, you know that this my dark knuckles. Me and dark knuckles is 5 and 6. So it has evened out my skin tone, you know, leaving some sort of radiance on it. That is the one that I'm like, Nivea of all lotions. Guys, trust me. You can see, look at my skin. Let me rub this on very well. So my skin is not 100% yet. I'm not there yet, but to an extent. I love how my skin looks. Look at it. Compared to where it's coming from. Look at it. Look at my skin tone. Everything is, look at my hand with my face. Everything is evened out. Right? So it's for normal to dry skin. But I'm not, if you have a dry skin. Now, these are some of the things that I noticed while using it. It's moisturizing, yeah, but it doesn't lock in moisture all day. You can see that. You see how my skin is. It is smooth, moisturizing, and soft. But it didn't lock in moisture all day, all through I was using it. So if you wanted to lock in moisture, after you apply your Nivea, even a radiant body lotion, the next thing you try and go in with oil to seal up the moisture. That was what I was doing, because it doesn't moisturize all day. It doesn't keep you hydrated all day, but it is moisturizing, but it doesn't lock in moisture. So that's one, take note of it. And if you have a dry skin or a very dry skin, I would advise you that if you're using this product, you will still need oil on your skin. Even while I was using it, this product didn't last me more than, it's a 400 ml product that should last, if you don't rub cream like I do, it should even last you like maybe 1 month plus or 2 months if you use it morning and night. But guys, trust me, the cream you're using for 2 months, I'm going to use it for 1 month. The one you're using for 3 months, I'll use it for 1 month plus. So that is how I can pack plenty cream on my skin. So because of the fact that I noticed that it doesn't lock in moisture, that made me to, I always apply it on my skin every time. So once I notice my skin is dried, I'll put it on it again. So I have a small container where I poured out a little bit of it out. And then when I'm out, I'll just put it on my hands, especially on my hands, and you know, parts that are big, that are open. So as I'm even talking to you, even my down to my feet, that was double color. Now everything is, my skin tone is rhyming from up, is not even from up to my toes. So if you're looking for and then this cream does not lighten your skin. It has a little bit of brightening effect, yeah, just a little, you know, but nothing whitening, nothing. It's not going to lighten you or whiten you. This product would only even out your skin tone and maybe just a little bit of brightening. And if you're already using a skincare product that lightens you before, this is going to bring you back to default setting, maybe with a little bit of glow, a little bit of radiance. So I've used it and I can attest to that one. So it's not going to, if you're already using lightening product and you come back to this one, you will come either a shade or 2 shades darker. But the thing is, it is going to blend out your skin tone from all those hyperpigmentation and dark patches and all that. So, but this is not going to give you, it's not going to maintain that lightened tone effect. No, it's going to bring you down a little bit if you're lightening. But if you're not, you can use it. If you're dark skin, you can use it, and it's very accommodating on the skin. I didn't experience any kind of reaction or anything. I have a sensitive skin, sensitive to dry skin, yeah, so I use this. It didn't do any harm to my skin. The only thing that I told you, the only downside is it doesn't lock in moisture all day. But I looked for other ways to help me achieve, you know, to enjoy the goodness of this lotion, which was always reapplying. You might not have that time. And then I also go in with my body oils once I use it to help me seal in the moisture, to trap in the moisture of this cream into my skin. So if you can use all that, if you have a skin like mine, you can use it this way, and then you're going to get all the goodness. It didn't lighten me whatsoever. As a matter of fact, the product, I'm going to be very honest with you guys, the product I was using before now that damaged my skin to an extent was a lightening product, and then it brought me a shade darker, and I didn't mind, because the goal was for me to achieve an even skin tone and then, you know, start nurturing my skin from beginning. So if you find this video helpful, if this is the information you've been looking for, then trust me, you can go ahead and buy this product. And it's sold, I bought it for 2,500 naira, so it's sold within the range of 2,500 naira to 3,000 naira, depending on where you're buying it from. And then if you've tried this product before and you know it worked the way it works for me, drop a comment. And if you've tried it and it didn't work, also drop a comment. Yes, if you've tried this product, please put a comment and let's know your experiences with this Nivea. And if you've tried other ranges of Nivea products that are really nice and also locks in moisture, please drop a comment to tell us what product that is so that we can go try it out. So guys, if you would love to see more of these reviews like this, please help my channel, at least encourage me. I encourage small YouTubers to, when I watch their content and I'm like, okay, this person has something in her that, or him, that that he or she is willing to show to the world, I smash the subscribe button. So I hope there's someone out there that is also willing to support my videos to help me grow. And the only way you can do that is by smashing on the subscribe button and turning on post notification, so that once I post new videos, you'll be the first person to get notified. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video and I'm gonna see you in my next one. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.